Hello everybody, it's Kate here from Fulgarine. So today this video is not exactly a tutorial, it's more a case of me going off on a tangent and experimenting with carving beads. It started when I did my Macaroni Heishi bead tutorial, and in case you haven't seen that, here's a super quick summary. Chop up some colors of clay into random blobs. Stuff them into your extruder, any old how. Extrude the clay and bake. Once you've baked your clay, use hot water to warm up the pieces of clay before you try to cut it so that you get nice smooth slices. Now I've had another idea with this hexagonal profile. I'm experimenting here, so I'm not sure if it's going to work, so I'm just going to portion off a bit. So my idea was, I'm just using a different shape scalpel blades just to I was hoping to reveal some colors within here, but it seems a bit boring. Again, it's getting a bit crunchy. Pop it back in to warm up. Sometimes I'm tempted to keep these little scraps to use in mosaics. So I finished carving this piece. I think it's quite interesting. I think I'm going to keep this long, so I think I'll maybe cut that in half to make 2 beads for earrings. I'm just going to warm that up. Now I've had another idea that I'm just going to test here, because this profile reminds me of my pencils. So I'm just wondering what will happen if we warm that up and put it through a pencil sharpener. Some interesting offcuts. I'm not sure what to do with those. So I don't think it's possible to get much shorter than this because it's getting hard to twist it in the sharpener. I like these though. So using the sharpener has not given me a bead that I like, and it was also really difficult because it was so short to actually get it in the sharpener, and this got so thin that it's broken off. So this is a bead, I think, is a failure, but I'm really interested in these shaving offcuts, so I think I will make something out of those. I had a go making these pendants with the shaved offcuts, and I also have made a couple of baked pieces, which I'm not entirely sure where I'm going with these. I think I need to do a bit more experimenting. It has promise, but I'm not there yet. So what I'm going to try next is actually manually carving out a bead shape. So I've just been warming up this little piece. So I was finding that bead a little bit brittle, so I've just changed out this water for something that's freshly boiled. And here's another tip. Use a different knife to fish your bead out of the hot water than what you use to cut it, because dipping the blade in the hot water heats up the knife. Let's see if this is a bit smoother. There we go, that's better. There you go, I think that's much more interesting. So that's it for this video. Here's another look at the finished beads, and I'll leave you with a picture of a couple pairs of earrings that I made using the carved beads. Hope you've enjoyed this video and maybe you feel inspired to experiment yourself. See you soon. Bye.